Now we are at the lake, trying to carry people around. And it is a huge hassle.
Mom, thank you.
You got it?
Uh-oh. It's a night to remember. Keep.
Look, I found 3 sheep.
Now I'm gonna take a picture.
What?
Oh, my feet.
Okay, careful, careful now.
Live from Longview in the woods. This is Simon reporting. Oh,
What is?
it's 5 o'clock, 5:05.
Why does she have her second?
She wants to get in
After
there.
crossing the water.
It's like, what was I wasting this time for? Time to get back there.
Can you push me in there?
Push me, do something. Olivia, are you serious?
Olivia, no, baby, you're not going in like that, okay?
Now she wants.
Sit down.
Bye-bye.